You started the recording?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, Jasmine. Yasmin.
Yes, yes.
What's your name? Yes.
Yeah, Yasmin.
Yasmin. Okay. So how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. How about you?
Yes, I'm good. I'm pretty well. Thank you so much for asking. So I think last time we met, but we didn't complete our session.
Yeah, I think there was
Hmm.
some network issue.
Yes, yes, yes. Last time we didn't complete our session due to network fluctuation, but it's okay. We should introduce ourselves again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let me introduce myself, then we begin. Okay, I'm Menika. I'm from Jharkhand. I'm a housewife. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have done graduation and currently I'm pursuing Master of Commerce. Apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel, and the name of my channel is English with Menika, and that's it. It's all about me.
That's a great introduction. So, shall I go for it?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. So, yeah, my name is Yasmin. I'm from Bihar and I have completed my graduation. And these days, I'm working as English teacher by profession. Apart from this, I'm running a YouTube channel. And if I talk about my hobby, so I love to read books and talk with the people about mindset and self growth. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. Fantastic. Okay, so without we wasting our time, let's cut to the chase. Okay, because I have limited time, I can say. Okay, so what was our topic?
The topic is about how can we create environment for speaking English.
Okay, so you want to speak first?
Sure. Okay. Yeah. I would
Hmm.
like to go first. Right. So first of
Okay.
all, I have seen lots of I can say learners who always complain that just because I don't have environment for speaking English, and because of that I can't learn this language. Right? So first of all, I'm so sorry for that, but I just want to tell you this is just a lame excuse. If anyone say like just because I don't have the environment, so I can't learn this language, because these days everyone knows that we have internet, right? Everything is available in our pocket, so we can never say I
Yes,
can't learn that.
definitely, definitely.
We can learn this language. But the thing is that how much enthusiasm and how your willpower is strong for learning this language, right? So you can create it by your own. There are some techniques that people can, I can say, use it, right? I can say like there's some sort of thing like thinking English, right? Learning new words, watching anything what they love to watch, right? And as well as if I talking about the thing that I don't have anyone with whom I can do the practice of speaking. So I think there are lots of apps available on Google, right? They can just
Social
go
media,
and
yes,
just yeah, they can install and start using it. So I think if in spite
definitely.
of having all these kinds of things, having said that, if anyone says that I don't have environment, I just think like I just believe
You
they are just making the excuses. Because I have also
definitely,
had to do other things. I didn't have anyone with whom I could do the practice. I didn't have any mentor, any teacher where I could just join the classes and I could learn this language. But I think I made the environment by my own, right? So I think that's not a big deal. That's not a big problem. We can create it by our own. But the thing is that
yes,
your willpower is strong to learn this language. Because I
definitely.
believe that in this world nothing is free. You must have to pay the price for it. If you're ready to pay the
Yeah.
price for it, you will definitely learn this language.
All right, all right. Yes, yes, it is true. We are just blaming. We are just giving excuse. We are focus on problem instead of focus on solution. We just focus on problem. So we should go away of this habit. We should remove. We should stop blaming others, because nowadays we are living in technology era, and there are lots of variety of ample number of things available on social media. So you just use everyone using social media but different direction. They just using social media, scrolling video, watching reels, and making video on song. Yes, but they're not interested to learning. When comes to talk about English, they start blaming. I have no involvement. How can I speak English? No one ready to speak with me. My family member, they not support. So these are just excuse. I can say I also agree with your opinion. So how we should start? We should start from your house. And first step, you can take your first step of learning English. How? If you want to speak English, so what you will do? No need to motivate all people to speak with me. First, you can start. If anyone laughing on your mistake, if anyone making fun of your English, it's okay because you always motivate yourself. Self motivation play a big role, and you will feel very happy when you appreciate your work. Yes, because when we start any kind of new work, it is a natural thing because we are a human, and it is a very common. We should ready to do mistakes are common, and if you are doing mistake, it means you are learning. So don't worry about mistake, and don't worry about people what they will speak, why they are laughing, why they are criticizing my speaking. You can start from your home. You can start speaking with your family, friends. It doesn't matter they are laughing or not, they are speaking or not. You just start to speak in front of your family. At least what you are doing, you are learning. Within a 10 days, 20 days, you will realize your family member also taking seriously, and sometimes they start motivate you. You are doing good. Your speaking skill is good. You are I can see your improvement. Yes, and you will feel very motivated. So first thing, sorry. And the second thing, what you will do, you can start reading, practice reading of books. Yeah, practice, it means reading play a vital role in this journey, because when you are reading a book, you are not just create a reading habits, you are improving lots of area. Like reading books, you will improve your pronunciation, you will get lots of word, and you will able to ponder about any particular topic. When you are going to narrate any kind of story, you will easily ponder. Yes, because this habit, it will develop by reading books. And try to read the book very loudly. When you are reading book very loudly, your pronunciation will improve, and you will feel very confident. Because
Exactly.
nowadays we all want to speak, but speak English, okay, but only speaking English is not a big deal. But correct manner, if you want to speak English in a proper manner, that is a big deal. It means correct pronunciation.
That's all.
My baby, she start. Okay, she woke up. Okay, so if you have any you want to add anything else, then you can.
Actually, as you said about the reading book, I also agree with you because reading a book is one of the best habit. First of all, I just want to consider this is the best habit for a human being. And the second thing, if I say about the learning this language, so yeah, when we read the book, we get the new word. We can easily know how can we construct a sentence, how to talk on any topic, right? And as well as we improve our pronunciation as well. So there are lots of ways to improve ourselves just by listening book, right? Listening or what reading book. It can be
Yes,
anything
yes,
what to them.
yes.
I just want to make every learner. Firstly, you need to find your own ways because everyone has a different skill. If I
Different
say
quality. Yes, yes.
right, if I say you
Hmm.
like you need to read book, but you don't like to read book, so I think you won't be able to go so longer in this
No.
journey, right? You'll feel
Yeah,
so
if you are
bored.
interested to watching any kind of show, yes, movie, like movie, then you can watch movie, but makes your language in English.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Everything should be
Every
English.
time you
What
can try to surround yourself in English. It doesn't matter you are watching, you are listening, you are reading, but try to surround yourself in English.
exactly whatever you're listening, whatever you're talking, whatever
Hmm.
you're thinking, everything. Make sure everything should be in English language. And I think
Yes.
when we are surrounded by English language, it will not take. that learners must time to learn this, and that will also help them to gain the confidence. Because confidence is what we know everything. When we try to do something that we have never done, but when we and after that we just go on that path, so that helps us to gain the confidence.
Yes,
And
confidence
English,
comes by practice. Yes, it will come down. It is a skill, but it will come by a practice. If you are doing practice regular, but means automatically within a 1 month, 2 month, maybe 6 months, you will feel very confident of your work, whatever you are doing. Not only English, but also other kind of work you are doing. You will feel confident by a practice.
exactly, and I think this is the main problem these days. There are lots of learners who knows how to speak English, but they have lack of confidence. They feel like I won't be able to speak. I won't be able to articulate the word, right? So I think when they start talking in front of the others, like even in front of the mirrors as well, right? So it will help you to overcome from the hesitation.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 So I think we completed our session.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, can I ask one question?
Yeah, yeah,
You
sure. You
don't
can ask.
feel you don't feel hot covering your face?
No, it's not that right now in my room. Like whenever I just go outside, and it's a scorching hot. I think you are
Yes.
aware about it, right? It's too hot. It's like it's just boiling
So
outside.
that is the reason I'm just asking. You are a stay at home. So what is the need to cover your face?
I love to. I love to wear this thing. I love to wear the hijab. I feel comfortable in this thing.
Whole day at home.
No, no, it's not the whole day. But while I'm interacting, while I'm just. It's not. This is a social media, right? And whenever I just go
Okay. When
outside,
you are interacting with people, that time you just cover it. Otherwise, you will remove it at home. Yes.
exactly. Yes.
Okay, because it's very hot here and we are feeling very sweaty. That's why I just asking. Okay, it is a mandatory. No, it's your personal choice. I can say.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much connecting with me. We will meet again, and we
Yeah.
will
Sure.
discuss another topic. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, dear.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.